Well, first one of the night. Had to be a dogfish. Didn't think it was, to be fair. It was quite a decent fight, so I was quite, although I like the dogfish, you all know that, I was quite disappointed with that one, to be fair. But still, that's the blank solid, and we've only been here about half hour, so happy days. And still they keep on coming. Well, it's another little doggy straight away. I haven't even had a chance to put the other rod back out yet. So, yeah, it could be a night of dogfish again. But I'd rather that than daylight blanking, so I'm happy with that. Good morning all. Welcome back, or welcome to Danny Shore Fishing. Today is, or tonight even, is Monday, the 2nd of May, Bank Holiday Monday. It's currently 1 in the morning. I've been here since about 10:30, 11:15, I think. I am obviously fishing at night again. Yes, I'm on my own, but the venue tonight is Hythe, and if I can spin you round, don't know how well you're going to see this, but the road is only a couple of 100 yards behind me. There's a big hotel right behind me, and there's a couple of not sure what they are, night watchmen or I suppose, or whatever you might call them, that are outside the front of that hotel all night. There was last time I was here. So I quick chat with them before I come across the beach. Told them if they hear any lunatics screaming and shouting, just to have a walk across the road and have a look, make sure I'm alright. But I've given the day fishing a go and I'm still not a fan. So I thought sorry. Got a few friends with me tonight. Oh, the only friends I'm going to need, I think. The fish are my friends, they'll look after me. But yeah, as I say, so it's Bank Holiday Monday, it's currently 1 in the morning. High tide was at 12:30 and it's literally there, it's about 4 foot in front of me. Quite a steep shingle beach, this one. I've had umpteen dogfish since I've been here. I went down to 1 rod. I did put 2 out originally, but I've only managed to keep 1 going at the moment. Every 5 or 10 minutes I've had a dogfish. I've shown most of them to the camera. I did lose a couple. I missed a couple of bites and I lost one. Anyone that knows anything about dogfish probably aware that they don't always hook up. Sometimes they just grab hold of the bait and won't let go of it. But the one that I brought in earlier, I think he wasn't hooked, he just had the bait in his mouth. And when his head poked out of the water, you could almost see him spit the bait back out and away he went. So. But I don't mind me catching dogfish. It's better than catching nothing. And it has gone quiet. The last half hour I've managed to have a coffee. So once I've finished a little catch up with you guys, then I'll probably put the other one back out again. I've got a couple of rigs baited up ready to go, so and hopefully we might get a ray or something different tonight. If it's going to be a night of dogfish, then so be it. At least I'm catching. I had a day at the beach last weekend. I did film it. Probably shouldn't have bothered. It was dead as a doornail. Beach was full of anglers. And from what I can see, no one caught anything. It was quite a miserable day. I tried again. Saturday just gone. Again, beach full of anglers. There was a couple of guys to my left that one of them was having a few whiting every hour. No numbers, just like 1 or 2. There was guys to my right that didn't have anything, I don't think. And I was thinking about packing up. And with that, fair sized car pulled up. Down come a big family of pop-up tents and barbecues. Set up, which was 20 foot away from me. And I thought, yeah, that'll do me, I think. I'll pack up. With that, I've got a bite, and me being me, pulled in quite a reasonable dogfish. And just as I was coming off the beach, the guys to my right, I think he caught quite a reasonable dogfish as well. But quite disappointing. They've had some rays out there and a few pups have been out there as well. So I was hoping for a better day, but that's why I decided I'm coming out at night. I wasn't being daft. I wasn't going to go to Sheppey, because if you go to Sheppey on your own, you are on your own. You're almost in the middle of nowhere. And, I mean, even at Langley Point down at Eastbourne, overnight, when you're there, you're again quite pretty much on your own. Unless, of course, there's a couple of them. But, yeah, if you was going on your own, you would be on your own. There's no roads anywhere close to it or anything at all. So I did try to be sensible and thought about where I could go. Still pretty alive through the night. And I remember these guys from the hotel being there last time I was here. I had a chat with them last time I was here as well. So I thought this is probably a safe bet. Sandgate's pretty safe as well, you're almost right next to the road there as well. So yeah, I'm quite happy to be here on my own, to be honest. I think, not sure if they're still there. When I got here, I think there's some angles a lot further up the beach. I've not seen any lights or anything for a while now, so I think they've made those lights. But we're here for the night. The sun up to about 5:30 in the morning. This is working all day tomorrow. So if you've seen the video last time I was here, every time I tried to pack up, caught another fish. So I ended up spending quite a few more hours here than I expected, but I can't do that in the morning. Must be home by 8:30, so the missus can go to work. So I will have to just knock it on the head at some point. I haven't bothered with the shelter tonight. I checked the weather earlier on. Checked it again before I come out. And it just says cloud, no rain. But it just started spitting. So I looked at it again and it says 1 in the morning, which is now 80% chance of rain. Well, brilliant. Thanks very much. But touch wood, bit of spitting's all I've had, so I'm hoping that won't develop. I've got the coat in the car, obviously, which is only over there, so if I have to run over there and grab it, it won't take me a minute, so I shouldn't get too wet if it does start to rain. But I'm hoping it won't. Just quickly, morning Vernon, as always. Hope you're well, buddy. Just want to say a big thank you to all the new subscribers. We've managed to go over the 600 mark now. So thanks to everyone for that. After my last video about having a very dodgy situation, I had quite a few messages from people that happily have said, come with us, come fishing with me, blah blah blah. Matt Stowe's got a great Facebook page. He texted me regularly. He actually messaged me yesterday, did I want to go last night? But unfortunately I couldn't. There's another guy, Patrick. Hello Patrick, thanks for all your comments. Thanks for your private messages. He's another one that's offered to come out with me. So I'm sure we'll meet up at some point. So yeah, it's all looking good. Subscribers going up. Just need to catch some more fish. But that's why we're here tonight. Said many a time, you're not going to catch any fish sitting indoors or laying in bed. And I do prefer my night fishing, I must admit. Which could mean that this might turn into my regular spot. Here's another one that's, I don't know, some parts or warmer where I like to fish. The road's a long way away from where you're fishing. I don't know, but this could well be my regular spot, if you like. But I don't mind it, I quite like it here. You can get a variety of fish here. It's quite a good flat area during the day. I mean, the water tonight, I wouldn't say it was crystal clear, but it's pretty clear. So yeah, I quite happily make this a regular mark for me. And it's just, although it's about 50 mile away, it is motorway most of the way here, so it's not no hardship getting here. So so it's been quiet. In the last 10 minutes I've been waffling, I haven't had a bite yet. So I think I'll stop waffling for now and I'll get the other rod out. Oh, that's the other thing that's changed slightly. The line I ordered for my fixed balls has come. And so I'm back using them tonight. And I'll be honest, as much as I do like using my multipliers, I do like using them. They're not a patch on these fixed balls. I mean, I've got my line of choice is Berkeley Whiplash 8 braid. Stuff like I've got £50. I think it's 1.6 diameter, 0.6 something like that. Pretty thin, but incredibly strong. You can't cut it with an ordinary pair of scissors. But this is the braid that I started with originally. I did try a couple of others, some spider wire and X5s, but I've gone back to the Whiplash 8 and I'm very happy with that. And every time I get a bite, you lift into it, reel it in. You haven't got to watch what you're doing and move your line across your multiplier. Don't go worry about any of that, just pick the rod up, reel it in. It's far much easier, it's far easier on night fishing as well. I did forget my torch the other week on night. My head torch. I'm trying to put the line back on your spool while you're reeling in the dark. I mean, I was quite pleased with how I did it, being blind if you like. But after many years of doing it, you sort of feel it. But when I did have a look in the garage, I've gone way over to one side too much and had to pull all that back off and redo it all. But with a fixed bowl you get no problems at all. It casts incredibly well, the line is really light as a feather. And I was casting Saturday and very pleased with the distance. I was getting very pleased. The line and these synthetic rods still help me with that. And so yeah, I'm glad for the fixed balls back with the line I really like. I shouldn't have changed it in the first place, should have stayed right. But I've got my new line back. There's 300 metres of line on both reels. So we're all happy and good to go again. So yeah, it has gone very quiet, so like I say, I'm going to stop waffling and get this other rod out, and hopefully the night will bring us some more fish. And I'll catch up with you in a little bit. Oh, little doggy. Oh, that's too heavy to be a dogfish. Not too heavy to be two of them. Proper tangled right up. Right, so I'll have to untangle that lot. Oh, gutted, I really thought there was something different there. Really heavy all the way in. Two dogfish. Right, let's sort this out. Well, that was easier to untangle than I thought it was going to be. One in the lip, one in the side. Pulled the hooks out and all done. So we'll get them both back. Tough as old boots, them dogfish. Getting some very deceiving bites off of these. I mean, this one's only a tiny little one. but almost bent the rod in half. Oh well, get back. Right, happy goes. Let's get some more. Well, I put the other rod out, and sure enough, another doggy straight away. So the other rod that went quiet must need a bait change, I would imagine. And it's still spitting, so I might get a bit wet. But we're still catching, so happy days. Oh, a bit of a better step this one. Probably the biggest one tonight. Certainly the hardest fighting one I've had tonight. He didn't want to come in. So we'll get this one back. Well, morning all. Thought I'd have a bit of a catch up. I've got both rods in at the moment. My head torch has died, which is very unusual. Normally lasts all night long on that battery, but yeah, that's give up the ghost. So I've got that plugged in at the moment. I didn't bring any spare batteries with me, so I've got the main one charging up at the moment. So I thought I'd take the chance to just have a sit down for half hour and have a coffee. It's been a really busy night. All the while there's been a rod in the water. It's only been in there 5 or 10 minutes before it's back out again. I've not done any bait changes. I've caught fish with every bait and just renewed the bait as such, if you know what I mean. So it's been a very busy night, so I'm very pleased about that. It's only been dogfish and we had that one whiting as well, but I would much rather be catching dogfish all night and than be sitting there usually during the day, all day long, without a fish or a bite or anything. Maybe one, the odd one, but I'd much rather be busy like I've been tonight. And yes, we haven't really stopped. It's been great. Really enjoyed it. I'd completely sort of felt like I lost my mojo a few weeks ago, and I've tried to get back into it, and it has been a struggle, to be honest, but tonight has made me feel a hell of a lot better. So I've got my fixed balls back on with my line, which I'm happy about. I do much prefer them. There are some other people to the left of me fishing, I think. No, it can't be. What, it looks like tip lights, I don't think it is. I think it's lights up on the road somewhere. But yeah, it's been pretty quiet. There's not really anyone else about. The world's waking up. I've seen some cyclists up and down the road this morning. It's still early yet. It's about 4:30, I think. Sun's not due up till 5:30. I was hoping to stay till daylight at least so I can show you around, but I don't know. I'll give you this head torch a go again in a minute, and I'll probably chuck another one out, see how we get on. But I've caught more than enough fish to keep me happy for tonight, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, not really much else to say other than thanks for everyone who's watched, thanks for everyone who's subscribed. Dogfish have been funny tonight. Had some stonking bites, some rod bending bites. And you reel it in, it feels heavy, and when it comes in, it's a little dogfish. And quite bizarre. That one where I had two hooked up, until they popped out of the water, I was convinced that was a ray. Not even a little one, that was quite a big one, all the way in. I was thinking, yeah, finally, but unfortunately not. Yeah, some very bizarre baits. I had one that just had a little bend and just kept taking line. Thought, oh, this might be something else, and yeah, no, another dogfish. It's been interesting, it's been good. I've been very happy with the casting. As I say, I've been happy to get my fixed balls back. I will use the multipliers from time to time. Did make a nice change using them, to be fair. But the fixed balls are certainly my preferred, without a doubt. But it's not been a bad night, it's not all that cold. Hands haven't been cold, and feet, nothing's been cold. Coat's in the car, but I haven't felt the need to go and get it. So yeah, so that may well be it from me. Of course, saying that, if I throw a rod back out, I might show you another dogfish. But you keep fighting dogfish, hopefully one of them is going to be something different. I caught a lot of my rays last year during May, and we're now in May, so any time now one of these dogfish could be a nice ray for a change. But we shall see. As I said, I'd much rather sit here busy catching fish, regardless of what they are. As dear old Graham says, fish is a fish is a fish. And I'm totally with him with that. I don't mind what they are. Pouting, whiting, dogfish. Much rather than just sitting there looking at statues all night. So yeah, I'm happy to be busy. I felt a lot better tonight. Glad to be here, enjoyed myself. The last few sessions I've had to force myself to go and be in and didn't really want to be there. But no, I'm happy to be here tonight. Trolley's worked the treat again through the shingle. Great bit of kit. I was really glad I bought that. Well, all in all, sun's come up. Still early doors yet, it's about 5. It's not due up properly until about 1:30. All the birds have woken up. There's plenty of people about. Yeah, it's been a great night. I'll pan you round, see if you can. I know what I consider daylight and what the camera considers daylight. It's quite a bit different, but I'm hoping you'll be able to see. I'll just spin you around a little bit. In my home for the night down at Hythe. See everything. I mean, there's me van. Everything's close, so I haven't felt any problems at all tonight, really. And like I say, you may find that this will be probably my preferred night fishing spot. But it's a long old beach. I'll try a few other areas, I think. But I can't complain, I've had fish all night long. I've had this one in the water, I've packed the other one away, I've had one in the water while I've been packing up. But yeah, I've had nothing on that yet. But really chuffed tonight. I've had a good night, really glad I come. And I haven't said that for a while, so all good. So yeah, if you got this far, thanks very much indeed for watching. Please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. And feel free to leave a comment. And I will speak to you all very soon. Take care.